Blow ni mami, oh. Blow mo, blow mo, blow. Blow mo muna, blow, before you eat. Good job! Sobrang good job mo naman, mahal. Talino mo naman. Sino nagturo sa'yo na mag-blow? Mami! Wow, may taho si Baby Axel. First time niya magtaho, guys. Plain lang. Walang arnibal at saka ng sago. Ako kay mami. Mami yan, mami! Tamis yan. Blow mo muna, blow. Blow muna ni mami. No, no. Ay! Oh. Oh, blow mo, blow. Good job! Sobra naman! Oh, blow mo. Before you eat. Ito. Cute-cute. Sobra naman yan. Plain lang yan, guys. Blow, blow. Haba mong uso. Grabe naman. Sobra. Ay, ayan na. Natapon na. It's okay. It's okay. It's not your fault. It's okay. It's okay. No, no. Don't touch that. Do not touch that again. Never. Blow again. Blow again. One more. One more. One more. Blow again. Oh, sige. Ikaw na magawak. Open your mouth. It's okay. Baka malaglag. Wala ka nang gagamitin, anak. Galing. Galing. Good job. Ikaw na. You can do it. In your own. Malaki kasi yung cups na. Ay, hawak na lang ng ano. Para maano mo ha. Blow mo ha. Blow before you eat ha. Blow ha. Blow, blow. Blow, blow. One more. One more. Sarap naman. First time kumain ng taho. Ganyan pala lasa. Masustansya pa yan, anak. Hindi mo kasi abot pag ganang gagaan. Ako na lang, mami. Blow. One more. Matapon, wala ka nang kakainin. Kunti lang yan, anak mo.